Hi everyone, this is a quick video on formatting. I know a lot of us have seen Dharmesh's agent, which has this kind of interactive functionality. It's almost like a website. And I've been trying to figure out if there was some way to do this. And I initially assumed that it just was not possible, but then I saw somebody else had built an agent which had this interactivity, which got me down this path of like, could I build something which gives me this kind of website like functionality? And so, and this is another one where, uh, it's got these sections, the tables and stuff like that. So this is the agent that I built. It takes the name of a company. And so let's say I say, doesn't really matter, and then what it does is, and again, I wasn't too focused on the actual content that comes out. I mean, these are all just prompts, but I wanted to see if I could do something where I can basically build a website like functionality using Agent.ai. And so this is going in, generating the overview, the financials, what products do they sell, who their competitors are, any news. And then there was this need to just add links to other pages if I wanted to. And so how I did this is, so let me show you the actual agent, and then we can go into the actual prompting. So get the list of competitors using Perplexity, get news using Perplexity, using GPT, go get an overview of the company, the financials, products that they sell. All this is just standard LLM stuff, so I won't go into how this was done. This is the part where basically I had ChatGPT generate a prompt, which I said that I needed to pass a prompt to Agent AI that would take output and then create a page that looks like a web page. And so this is the prompt that I used, helpful assistant, HTML, given the inputs, company name, generate an HTML document, display the name of the company, include a table of contents section with 6 topics. So those are the topics across the top. Should be a clickable link that updates the content. So what you'll notice here is it is just purely prompt engineering that lets you control the output. I know some of you had questions on like how do you create tables, and I had another agent for that where, again, you just ask it to generate outputs in Markdown and it'll generate that for you. And so here you look at it, and all it is just a question of prompting, and then these are the variables that I'm passing to it. And so pure prompt engineering. And then after this is done, all I do at the end is because it's generating HTML, I just say format it as HTML. And that is what gives me this stuff. And if you want to know the prompt that I used, took some time, but basically I was like, I'm passing you this stuff. Uh, Need you to build a prompt that generates links that are in context. Here's the prompt, blah, blah, blah. And it generates a prompt for you. So not much to it. If you want to format your Agent AI outputs and make it look like HTML, I'm sure some of you will make something really, really good. Mine was just a very basic one. But hope you have fun with that.